Good day to all of us. For today's video, guys, I'm going to present to you this newly product Anyviewer.com. I'm going to download this link and trying to use this uh, software in order to prove that this product or this software will be nice to use and have uh, features that we would like to use smoothly and friendly. So this is the link, guys. This is for free to download for this apps to our laptop or computer. Now let's start downloading this very easy. And now we're going to our folder of download. Then let us install this software. I'll browse for the location to receive the program files of our drive. Now let's start. Installation is very fast and it is done already. So this is the form of its installation, its software, and we are going to manually input this control remote devices so we can access it. Now this is the form for my cell phone. I am remoting this PC with the use of my cell phone. Later on, I will discuss to you on how to download from our phone, Android phone, from the Play Store of our Google. Now, this is the system will be detecting with a notification of our computer system. Yes, this is very easy, guys. You have to follow the video and install very easy. So as I used from cell phone, I have not landscape my cell phone, but that's the reason. So this is it, guys, from our Google Play. You will simply install it if you're already done. So we are trying to open these apps so that we can start remoting a laptop or a desktop, or maybe a cell phone who had also these apps, Anyviewer. So this is very friendly applications or software that we need to install from our gadgets, for our devices, our computer, in our laptop, so that we can easily access a certain computer. So this is, guys, we need to import our Gmail or whatever account you have to import from our cell phone. Just follow the video guys until the end. If you can do subscribe our YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated for our next video. So this is guys my account that will be accessing or will be importing to these apps. So guys, the what is this? The notification from the Gmail account will be received from your Gmail, so that you can input also for this verification purposes. And then after this, I will key in that verification code so that we can easily start the remoting of any computer unit or a laptop from our friends or from any of our relatives, even though we are far from them, and then he or she had a problem with regards to any matters, so that we can help by this software. No? So let us install and download these apps so that we can easily access. No? And now this is it guys, after inputting some data. So here comes we're going to finish this, and then I will try. This is my PC that I am remoting from my Android phone, and now this is it, and it will be reliable. No? This is very legit, guys, and come on, let us go beyond this very nice software for a very nice purpose. No? So just follow my video, and you can get and learn today's video, and then trying to use this as free. No, free. This is free. This software guys had many modes to use this, and we're just trying to explore it further so that we will be so this is it guys. As you can see, there is like mouse form from our cell phone, and then we went to the folder we have to open or whatever, and we can do anything. As we also view for any computer or laptop, so we can do it right after we can download and install these applications that we are going to use later. So around we are trying to remote the other desktop unit. I have been also installed this software, and this is the device ID. So I'll try to input this. Upon receiving this from the other computer, we need to allow. If you will be automatically put or logged in or connected, you'll just key in also the what is this below the device ID. Yes, I will try to input so that we can easily connect without the permission from the other user of the or well he's not around, so we can also connect with that particular unit. First, so we are starting remoting this PC. Yes, guys, it's very easy to use and very faster. Yeah. Well, saying the features of this app, guys, as we can find about the many functions, so we can try to point and try. It's up to you for your own exploration and trying to use whatever you want. You just read and learn to analyze what is the purpose of that mode. So this mode also, guys, have a chat conversation if you want. Very nice software. We already have the conversation with this chat option. Whenever you say a message to the other user or to your friends or whatever, or else you have to open the notepad so that you can start asking or whatever you message to the particular user or particular friends out there from anywhere in the world. So very easy, and I hope it will guide you on how to use this software. And I hope also you will be subscribing this little channel. I hope you promote also And thank you for watching. And have a good day. And have a wonderful day. So all of us. Thank you. Ay natutunan ninyong lahat.